Welcome back, everybody. I want to thank you all for a wonderful first year we had on YouTube in 2023. It's just amazing what we've seen in growth. We appreciate it so much. I want to show you the top 3 things from photography gear that I got myself last year. Now, a lot of cool stuff came out last year, like Canon's 24-105 2.8 that we never thought they would make. It came out. But what I want to go over today are my 3 favorite things that I purchased last year. So check out this list. All right, number 3 will be the Ulanzi 40-watt light. And you might think, well, what can you possibly do with that thing that makes me like it so much? Well, if you travel much, it is so much easier to just put this in your bag than just packing up any heavy LED or strobes. And I'm gonna show you a few pictures that I made a video of on a balcony where this was my main light, and take a look and see what you think about those. But this thing is Ulanzi, it's 40 watts. And you can get it on sale for $79.95 a lot of times. And I see other lights, like I saw a 20 watt this morning that was $129. And I believe Small Rig makes their 60 watt, which is 20 more than this one, but it's $199. You can buy almost 3 of these for that price. But anyway, the Ulanzi 40 watt light, it's excellent if you're traveling. You don't want to have to carry around a big heavy LED with umbrellas and all that. You got a little diffuser here in the front. I mean, it's probably not as good as those, but it sure is easier to travel with and get on an airplane. So I really like this little Ulanzi 40 watt light. So check it out. Good job, Ulanzi. Now, number 2. Hey guys, I just want to take this second of your time. If you guys would please hit like and subscribe, it would go a long ways toward helping our channel and help us keep making these videos. Thank you. The small things sometimes. Now this ain't necessarily small, but the price, the Ulanzi was only $79. I believe this was only $65. This is the Neewer softbox, but I love this. If you guys have been in photography as long as I have, you know how much trouble it used to be to set up a softbox. This is awesome. I love that you got your Bowens mount on the back, put whatever you can put on there, and to open this up, you just pull it, and it clicks all the way around. It's awesome. I love this thing. I'll put it together. All right, so now it's together. You can kind of see, and it's got the Bowens mount on the back. I believe it was $65. It's so nice to carry this thing around. And when you're ready to break it down, all you do is flip these little knobs right here. It comes apart in a huge hurry. Ready to wrap it up, bring the Velcro around it, and you're good to go. This is easy to travel with also. And this looks, I don't know. I guess I just hated setting up soft boxes years ago because it was such a pain trying to get all those little things lined up and getting your soft box. This, like I said, it's the small things that matter, and sometimes bang for the buck. And this being $65 and the Ulanzi light being $79, those are both huge bangs for your buck. But my absolute #1 favorite gear of last year, and I can't figure out why this hasn't taken off yet. I don't see many YouTube videos about it. I just don't see much about it. I don't know if people have it confused with something else. So let me show you what it is. It is the Godox AD-S200. It connects to your AD200 flash. It's a 360-degree flash that you can control with barn doors that just slip right on the side. If you hold it like this, you're going to get light in the whole room, 360. If you put this on it, then you got it. You can take it down from 180 to however small you want it to get. But this end just connects to the end of your AD200. It's powered from that. The light from this thing is absolutely beautiful. I love it. You can put it in a softbox if you want to, but I found a lot of times it's just as nice without having a softbox. But I do use the Neewer softbox, so I'm using the regular strobes. But this may turn into my daily strobe. I haven't decided yet. I haven't used it that much to know if it's going to replace the regular Godox lights, but I do like this. It's very, very nice for outside. It works on TTL. It sells for $339 brand new. I think I got it on sale for $279. My absolute favorite piece of photography gear from last year is the Godox AD-S200. Y'all check it out. I think you'll like it. It's got a spot that screws right into the top of your light stand. Y'all probably seen some of the videos I've made with it. If not, go look at a few. I got a few shorts and a few longs on there. But I'll put up a few clips of me using it on here so you can see those. But yes, the Godox AD-S200 360 strobe light. Now I think one thing, because I'm trying to figure out why more photographers aren't talking about this thing. A lot of people make the LED lights that look a lot like this, but they're LEDs. You turn them on, you turn them off. This is a strobe. This is an actual flash. And I'm just trying to figure out why it hasn't caught on more. I don't see many YouTube videos about it. I just don't see much talk about it, but I love it. So if you get a chance, check out the Godox AD-S200. As long as you've got a Godox AD200 or AD200 Pro, you'll be good to go. That's how it powers it. So anyway, hey, we're helping you guys out. Hit subscribe. Y'all have a good day.